let's do some DIY for today's video. He ordered this marble sticker so we can put this on this table kasi ito yung kanyang nagiging work table, and actually as of now we don't want to buy a new table. We have a lot of things sa bahay. So let's make use of this table muna. Actually, there is a comment na ang laki daw ng mga furnitures namin dito sa bahay. Yes, the furnitures that we are having in this house is not for this house actually, because when we bought this furnitures, we were living in Bangalore and we have a bigger space, a bigger apartment. Nabili namin yung mga furnitures na yun according doon sa first apartment namin. So, nung umuwi na kami dito, our space is not as same as our previous apartment. Maybe someday, pag maluma na yan and kailangan na namin palitan, we are going to get something smaller. But as of now, we are making use of what we have. Kasi if we're going to let go of these furnitures, like our sofa and dining table, then again, we're going to get new ones. So, sa ngayon na okay pa naman sila, gagamitin muna namin siya, and then later, pag naluma na, tsaka na lang kami bibili ng bago. Kasi ang gastos, kasi ang sayang din ng pera. Actually, hindi maganda yung finish ng una namin in-apply. And this is the second one. Medyo okay ito. So, we'll try na itong pinakamalaking sticker magawa namin ng tama because this will occupy most of the space. Let's hope for the best. This is it. Not so perfect, but it changed the look of the table. Yeah. Now it became a marble table. From plastic table to marble table. That's so perfect, pero okay na yun. Pero okay naman yung dito talaga sa area na gagamitin na. Dito kasi laptop eh. And this holds a sentimental value because this is where we started. This was our dining table, our study table when we started. First year of our married life. This is kind of sentimental for us. So now it's new look. Mayong aga! We are going to prepare garlic paste.
What? Garlic paste?
Yeah. We are going to make our homemade this time. We have been planning every time to make ginger garlic paste. Pero minsan nakakatamad lang kasi kailangan mo siyang isa-isahin.
Ma, I will wash the garlic, you take over.
Okay. That is preparing our chicken for lunch. The gym. It's almost 11.
Fish marination also will have to do, huh?
This is not the usual chicken gravy that Aki is cooking because we have less time to fry the onions. And he also bought some fish, so I will just quickly marinate this. Nagtaka din siya bakit siya bumili ng isda kasi bumili na siya ng chicken. Sabi nga, nakita niya na nagtitinda ng isda yung lalaki. So, bumili din siya kahit nakabili na siya ng chicken. We are kind of late for our gym. We'll have this fish for dinner. Kasi ang dami din naming chicken. Almost done. Yeah, 1:52 na ng hapon. And we'll have lunch. This is going to be our first meal of the day. But actually now, somehow, I'm getting used to not having breakfast in the morning. And then yung first meal namin is lunch.
Heavy lunch.
Yung heavy lunch. 1:53. Pero ngayon, medyo late kami. Here's our chicken. Ininit na lang namin. This is satu parata. Ito na yung luto namin satu parata kanina. Kain tayo. We have a parcel.
Another box?
Another box. There are multiple items. Okay. This is the light.
Yeah.
So we ordered LED lights para sa aming kusina kasi doon sa baba ng mga cabinets gusto ko merong ilaw doon para medyo bright naman kasi nanonotice ko pag nagva-vlog kami doon sa kusina parang ang dark. Kahit na tatlo yung aming ilaw dun sa taas.
This is for TV.
Behind the TV.
What is distraction?
So ito, LED lights. Inuunti-unti namin yung bahay, guys. Pag-aayos sa bahay. Ooh, this is so nice. This is the lamp.
Daddy, I want to play with it.
Table lamp. We opened it. So cute. Cute naman ito. Ah, okay. Dito na lang ito. Kasi hindi pala ako marunong. Smoothly.
No, it will open, baby.
Wait. Yeah, how to open this? Go check your Amazon. Ah, okay. Uy.
Bulb is big. The small bulb will only go.
No, let's take it out first. Or here you can
Take out first.
So this one, this table lamp, we are planning to put this dito sa kabilang kwarto. Tapos meron kaming in-order na para naman doon sa kwarto namin. Na malaki.
Small bulb will go.
Small. Ang cute lang ba? Ganito lang siya. Cute lang. Let Daddy try to figure this out while I open this one. Ooh. We have an instruction here. Daddy, there's another one. This is free. Meron siyang kasamang bulb.
We'll check.
Let's try. Oh no. Maybe there's a switch.
This bulb is not good. This kind of bulb we need now. This kind of bulb will not do now. This is this bulb.
Should come from here na, Daddy. Or let's take this out first.
Yes.
Let's take it out only first. Wait.
No, it's okay. Done.
Yeah. Ang dami yan. Okay, let's finish this.
Done.
Okay.
this.
Yay!
Good, Malaya. So I am proud of your partner, baby. Oh, you are also my love. You are, of course, your mother's daughters to you, of course. I will. So proud. Might be say about that.
Look at this.
Ready, set, go! Wow! Ang cute lang, diba? So, yan siya. And we can change the color also.
I have to download one app.
Change color with music, RGB lights, brightness control, set a schedule or timer, and group devices.
So many things are there in this.
Yeah, so many things. So they have an app, WePro Next Smart Home app.
What? Wipro?
WePro Next Smart Home. Let's take this out. So meron silang binigay na instructions.
We
So
have to
maybe
check
this
it.
is the stand.
Careful,
Careful, Rani, Rani, careful.
Now, somehow it feels, fulfilling to get things for
But we know that
the
we are in
house.
our house.
Yeah, because you know that, okay, this time,
Mom, I get the
it's
sticker.
for our house.
Mommy.
Yeah. It actually, it's been a very long time already that we have bought like this, like things for the house, huh?
Yeah.
From Bangalore, I think, nung nasa Bangalore kami,
In
wala
Bangalore,
namang
Malaya, I have
kami-
stopped you na. Because whenever you were saying that, shall we get
Yeah.
this, shall we get that, I was
But-
telling you don't do it.
Yeah, he's always telling me that wait until we are staying in our own house. Don't get so many things for
Because
the house.
first time only when
Because
we
we
have
are
bought,
transferring. Alam namin na lilipat at lilipat kami after ilang years. So nice print. How pretty. Huh?
yeah.
Should we get the plastic na?
Of course.
We can keep the plastic so that it won't get dirty. Ang cute ng guys, print. Tingnan niya po.
And we are not buying very costly. This is like not very costly items also.
So this is the height of the lamp for the room. The good thing is, the wire is kind of long.
Mom, is this a hat?
Oh no! Keep it down, baby.
Is this a hat?
No, baby. See, this is for our room. Turn it on here. So we have a switch. Wow! So now Mimi can read during bedtime stories in the room.
Yeah.
You can use this.
We can reduce the brightness.
So he can control the light through phone.
Me?
Daddy, ay, shucks.
The
You can
color
change
of
the
the
color.
Which
Which
color?
color do you like?
Pink.
Pink. Of course, ano pa ba?
I want pink, Daddy.
Right.
This is the only light that is on right now here in our living area. It's bright. That's for here. Usually at night, Abhi is sitting here to read his book. Yellow light. Cozy.
This is better.
Yeah. Our house is slowly coming together. Huh?
Yeah.
We'll
Not
buy
now, but
plain curtain.
Or we can put blinds also.
As of now, this is enough.
Yeah.
Actually, this is not very costly. This is just
1200.
1,200. Okay. So now? Okay. That's reverse, baby. That is backside. Pull it.
I will have to hang it. You have to see this, okay?
First, I will attach this. I want constant light. Hindi yung ganito kasi masakit sa mata. This one is nice. Yeah. This is nice.
Do we see our TV baby?
Princess Sophia. Oh, pretty. Nice.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.